friends, so we are back to the stair rail. Almost done. It's very exciting. I have a 5/8 bit. This is perfect for if you have 1/2 inch metal balusters. If you have 9/8, then I believe they tell you to go up another size. Mine are 1/2 inch, so this is gonna be perfect. I also went through and marked on my drill bit on both sides the depth level that I'm gonna be drilling to. Normally this is 1.5 inches. However, our railing is a custom cut. It's not actually a real railing, and so it's a little bit of a thinner profile. So I went with more of like 1 inch, 1.25 inch rather than the full 1.5, because if I was going to do that, it would just go fully through this piece of wood. So let's give it a try and see how it does, shall we? Drill doesn't have enough juice. Hold on. Let's give the impact driver a try. It's moving on my stuff. Does that go through the wood? Let's find out. Oh, little bit. You can see tiny little mark. So next time, let's try to not drill as much. I also have to figure out another way to film this. All right, let's give this another go. Rip this really well. Feels pretty solid. We'll see. Did that work? Yes, it did. Basically what I've learned is that you just need to have a lot of patience and be slow and steady, at least until you find your bearings. So let's go. Some of you got all up in your feelings about using the impact driver in one of my previous videos. All I'm going to say about that is that my drill is cheap and it sucks and it wasn't strong enough to go through the hickory, so we're making do with what we got. If you have a fancy drill, I say go with that. The impact driver had enough torque to get through this hickory, and honestly I didn't have any issues with breaking bits, so it's going to be what's going to be. All right, moment of truth. Did I drill through it? Let's find out. Cross your fingers. We're good! Ta-da! No holes on the other side, and I am grateful. There's no going back now. The holes are drilled, so let's go put it in. I'm taking you with me for my first dry fit. See if it goes well. Say a little prayer for me. Yes. Hell yeah. This is what it's gonna look like, you guys. I even got it like perfectly to the mark. Shit, I'm good. If you didn't know, this is not the right way to install handrail. Normally you would install the railing first and then you would put the balusters in. But honestly, like with this specific type of baluster, since it doesn't have a shoe and you have to like screw it in there, and I was like at the top using the vice grip as tightly as I could, I honestly don't know how you would have installed these any other way. So you can come at me in the comments for doing it wrong, but I'm doing my best, people. I'm doing my best. Anyways, it's gonna look like this, but now I have to figure out how to actually attach it to the posts. It's just like a whole other thing. Wish me luck. Loving the contrast between the black and the natural wood. This is gonna look sick. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for part 21 and follow along for more home DIY.